production and use of motor vehicles have increased rapidly.
The pollution of motor vehicle exhaust to the environment is becoming more and more serious. The relevant prevention and control policies and laws and regulations are not perfect, and the measures need to be further strengthened. Creating a good air environment is also a sign of building a modern civilized city. It's a top priority for the environmental protection work. Solving the problem of vehicle exhaust pollution is imminent. In this project, we are going to use the drones for delivery.
Deliver goods from the doorsteps to the people, and the drones, they are programmed to fly from the point of dispatch to the customers' houses, and they use GPS which navigates the location it's going to, and the drones, they carry up to 4 boxes, and the purpose of the drone is to reduce air pollution or other things that are harmful to the environment, and they also reduce the consumption of fuel.
I wanna run, chase the moon.
How does the door look like? So we've got the main elements here. So the first one, which is the box. We have got 4 boxes to carry the goods or products for different customers. And if you can see here, we contain the batteries, which is we've got the 2 batteries, one for main using and one for backup. And if you see here, we've got the fans, 4 fans here, and under the fan you can see in this dot, which is the legs, and the legs they've got the sensor for parking, which means this drone can park in different areas, in different landscape. It can park effectively or large, and when they buy something, and they will get the code, and they will identify location, and the drones can fly automatically to the houses, and they use the passcode which is given to access the box, and they can take the things with them.
According to Sensia and in the project management guidebook, they mentioned there's 13 knowledge areas of the project management. In this part, I will give outlines of 4 that we use in this project. So let us begin with the project charter. The project charter is a document that contains all information about the project, such as the project purpose, background of the project scope, and milestone. The second point is the stakeholder. A simple definition of the stakeholder is a person or organization that has positive or negative impact to the project. In this project, we identify, analysis, and manage the stakeholder. The stakeholder is based on estimation on their expectation from the project, also the expectation to the project. We use stakeholder mapping and spider map, which are tools used to analyze stakeholder. Thirdly is the communication plan, which concern on provide best way to communicate with the stakeholder to get them involved effectively. Lastly is the risk management, which is identify risk, measuring the impact, and provide way of mitigation, and show the mitigation results whether it is reduced or not. At the end, I would like to thank you for watching, and we will delight to receive your comments. Thank you.
I wanna run, chase the moon and sun. When I'm with you, give it all away.